Vitamin B5 plays a crucial role. Also known as pantothenic acid, this vitamin is essential for the proper functioning of the body, playing fundamental roles in metabolic processes and energy production. In this article, we will explore the importance of vitamin B5, highlighting its benefits and the consequences of its deficiency. Health problems caused by lack of vitamin B5. A deficiency of vitamin B5 can result in a series of health problems. Here are 10 complications that can arise due to the lack of this vitamin. Chronic fatigue. Vitamin B5 plays a crucial role in the production of energy from food. Its deficiency can lead to persistent fatigue due to the body's inability to efficiently convert nutrients into energy. Dermatological issues. The skin is affected by the lack of vitamin B5, resulting in conditions such as dry skin, irritation, and even the occurrence of skin lesions. Sleep disorders. Vitamin B5 is involved in the synthesis of melatonin, a sleep-regulating hormone. Its deficiency can contribute to sleep disorders, such as insomnia and difficulty maintaining a healthy sleep pattern. Digestive problems. The digestive system is also impacted, with vitamin B5 deficiency contributing to issues like indigestion, constipation, and abdominal discomfort. Muscle pains. Vitamin B5 plays a role in muscle health, and its deficiency can result in muscle pains and weakness, affecting the body's ability to move efficiently. Nervous system disorders. Pantothenic acid is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Its deficiency can lead to neurological disorders, such as tingling, numbness, and coordination problems. Immune system issues. Vitamin B5 plays a role in antibody production and the immune response. Its deficiency can compromise the effectiveness of the immune system, increasing susceptibility to infections. Cardiovascular problems. The lack of vitamin B5 can influence blood cholesterol levels, contributing to cardiovascular issues, such as an increase in bad cholesterol, LDL. Complications in infant development. During pregnancy, a deficiency of vitamin B5 can have negative impacts on fetal development, contributing to growth and developmental issues in infants. Hormonal imbalances. Vitamin B5 plays a role in hormone synthesis, and its deficiency can lead to hormonal imbalances, affecting various bodily functions. Foods rich in vitamin B5. Fortunately, we can obtain vitamin B5 from a variety of natural foods. The table below highlights 20 foods rich in this vitamin, which can be balancedly incorporated into the daily diet. These foods include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, whole grains, and some fruits. By diversifying the diet and regularly including these foods, it is possible to ensure an adequate intake of vitamin B5. In conclusion, vitamin B5 plays a vital role in maintaining good health, affecting various systems in the body. Its deficiency can lead to a range of health problems, from chronic fatigue to complications in infant development. However, a balanced diet, rich in foods containing vitamin B5, can help prevent these problems and promote overall robust health. Therefore, it is essential to be aware of the importance of vitamin B5 and make conscious food choices to ensure the adequate intake of this vital nutrient.